Today we're going to be talking about decision making. Totally loves what her dad does, but she also enjoys helping people who are hurt physically. Her dad is a lawyer, but what she loves seems to resemble the nursing profession. She has to decide what she wants to become. She can become a lawyer like her dad, or she can become a nurse. Decision making is the process of deciding something or making choices that one thinks are right or logical amongst different other options. Decision making can be a very long process for some individuals, and it requires a lot of attention. When you decide, you have concluded. To decide is to conclude. Deciding helps you to achieve set and desired goals. And for decisions to be made, there has to be alternatives. Why do we need to make decisions? We need to make decisions to get a desired result and to achieve set goals. Making decisions can also boost our self-esteem and encourage us to have confidence in ourselves and what we plan to do. What are the factors involved in making a decision? Past experience, age, individual differences, level of commitment, past failures and successes, and socioeconomic status are some of the factors you have to consider before making a decision. Now, I'm going to show you the steps to take in making a decision. The first thing is you have to start by identifying the decision that is about to be made. Collect all the useful information that you can that will guide you in making the decision you want to make. Next, identify the alternatives available and try to create new alternatives if possible. Each of the alternatives should be carefully looked at, and then you assess the advantages and disadvantages of those alternatives. Next up, you choose amongst the alternatives after you've analyzed all of them and implement the decision to be made. Finally, you review the results gotten from the decision made to be sure you made the right decision. Now, let us review what we've learned in today's discussion. We have learned about decision making, exactly what it is. We found out why decision making is so important, and then the steps to take in making a decision. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you for joining me.